First, save the attached ringtone onto your desktop. Once you save the file, open iTunes if you don't already have it open. If you have never synced a ringtone before, you may not see the ringtone section in your library. To make it visible, click on the Preferences option in the iTunes menu bar, or on Windows, click on the Preferences item under the Edit menu. Make sure the checkbox next to Ringtones is selected. You only need to do this once. Now drag the file into your library. A green plus sign should appear when you hover over the library. Now plug in your iPhone, and under the Ringtones tab, make sure Sync All Ringtones is selected. You are now ready to sync the iPhone with iTunes.